This is the high-speed journey of nature's perfect drink. The journey of fresh apple juice begins not in a factory, but here, in the vast orchards that supply the harvest. Modern technology helps the harvest. Mechanical shakers gently loosen ripe apples, preserving quality from the very start.
The apples are quickly gathered and transported to the juice plant to lock in freshness. At the mega plant, the apples begin their transformation through a series of precise, automated stages. The first step is a vigorous water flume, which carries the apples in and performs an initial cleaning. On automated sorting lines, both human inspectors and optical scanners ensure only the best fruit proceeds. They then undergo a thorough washing and scrubbing to remove all dirt and residues. The clean apples are milled into a fine pulp, or pomace, to break down the cell walls and release the juice.
The pomace is then pressed. Traditional hydraulic presses use immense pressure to squeeze out the pure, cloudy juice.
Modern plants use continuous belt presses for high-efficiency extraction, maximizing juice yield. This freshly pressed raw juice is collected and stabilized to preserve its fresh-pressed character. Enzymes may be added to break down natural pectin. This allows solids to settle, leading to a clearer juice. Centrifugal force is used to rapidly separate clear juice from any remaining fine pulp particles. For crystal clear juice, it may pass through an ultrafiltration system, a microscopic sieve that ensures brilliant clarity. To ensure safety and shelf stability, the juice is flash pasteurized, heating it quickly to destroy microbes without overcooking the flavor. It is then instantly cooled and held in sterile tanks, ready for packaging in a perfectly preserved state. In the quality control lab, every batch is tested for perfect sugar-acid balance, the key to consistent taste. Meanwhile, packaging is manufactured. Glass bottles are formed or plastic bottles are blown on-site for efficiency.
Containers are sterilized to create a perfectly clean environment for the sterile juice.
In a critical sterile zone, the juice is filled into containers without any exposure to air, ensuring long shelf life without refrigeration.
Caps are applied and sealed immediately, locking in the freshness and sterility. Labeling and coding provide product information and crucial traceability data. A final automated inspection checks fill level, seal integrity, and label placement. Bottles are bundled into retail-ready packs for efficient distribution. Robotic systems pack cases and build pallets with precision and speed. The finished product is stored in climate-controlled warehouses, ready to be shipped to stores. The final product? Pure, refreshing apple juice, a testament to nature's harvest and precision food engineering.
From the morning table to a refreshing drink any time of day, this is where the orchard's bounty delivers simple, natural enjoyment.
From tree to bottle, it's a continuous cycle of agriculture and innovation, delivering freshness on a global scale.